Culver Mobility Best Wheelchair 2020 New Electric Wheelchair Folding Lightweight Heavy-Duty Electric Power Motorized Wheelchair Black. Free Wheelchair Ramp Gift. Amazon Exclusive. Black. Your safest choice for a superior electric wheelchair. We've built a host of important safety features into this very high-quality wheelchair, including joystick, more stable rear wheels, super stable footrest, and very durable construction. It's not only easy to use, extremely reliable, but keeps you safe even in the most demanding situations. Easy to operate with the superior design joystick. This lets you have one hand free for quick stopping. We have also included an anti-leaning rear design that keeps this electric wheelchair remarkably stable. Lightweight and easy to fold. Just 62 pounds with battery thanks to the aluminum alloy that is super strong yet very light. We use it for the front and rear wheels to make them stronger. Easy to load this wheelchair into your vehicle for transportation or storage. More stable and comfortable thanks to the front wheel shock absorber. We also added a swing-away footrest that will work well for years of daily use. Everything has premium welds for excellent durability and reliability. Travel-ready, compact folding design will allow this wheelchair to fit in trunks. No need for heavy lift or extra attachments to take this wheelchair with you wherever you travel.